Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore purchases in the edX application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it, and now you should look in the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on that as well, and here you can just press on restore purchases, and now you should wait a little bit, and you can see that purchases have been successfully restored. And that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.